Hey guys, um, well, I'm going to start something new on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to start doing some videos with showing you some different easy cooking ideas that you can do with your children. So I'm hoping that this will give you some ideas of some easy meal preps that you can do and that you can include your children in on the process. So today what we're going to be using is some great value beef raviolis and some Prego. I use the no sugar added Prego spaghetti sauce. We're also going to be using some low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese, and I just using the I like the block cheese. And what I am gonna suggest is that your child, you can depending on their age, you can get them a cheese grater. I like to use this stand kind of cheese grater, and just let them do the grating. I remember as a kid growing up, my mom used to let us do the grating of the cheese for the enchiladas that we would make, and maybe someday I might do a video on making enchiladas. So we're just gonna grate this cheese, and I'm just gonna quickly just run it through the grate here, and just go through and get us some grated cheese that we're gonna use to put on top of our raviolis. So I'm gonna pause a minute and grate my cheese up, and I'll be right back. All right, so I grated up my cheese, and yes, of course, if you have one of those law machines or a food processor, you could use a food processor as well to grate up your cheese, and just let your kids feed the cheese through the food processor to break it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to I'm using an 8x8 pan because I'm not making a big quantity. So depending on the size of your family, you might want to do more or less. So I'm just going to make a layer of the raviolis, and we keep some for later. And I'm just going to turn them to make sure that they're, that they're one layer, making sure that they're flat. And I may, try to layer them in a way that, like one layer, and then I'll do some more here. We'll do a little different here. I might do a layer effect of these. See how this works. So we just kind of put them in here. I guess you could just kind of dump them though too. I was just thinking but my pan is not so small. If you had a 9x13, you probably could do them in one layer. But I think I'm gonna try to. I like raviolis. I got the beef raviolis. I do have cheese raviolis, but I'm gonna try the beef ones this time. So then you take your sauce. Sorry about my hands getting in the way. And then you take your sauce, and you just basically take your sauce and just pour it on top. You want to just, be generous with your sauce. And if you are, this is kind of a quick meal, if you wanted to, you can make a homemade sauce or use some homemade sauce if you have some homemade sauce. And just put your grated mozzarella on top. And if you want it, this could be your just do one layer. I think I'm gonna layer it. I think I'm gonna put some more on top, and just make it, layer it up a little bit, make it a little bit thicker. And so I'm just gonna pasta in, and then I'm gonna check the temperature. Check the package to know what to do my oven. Okay, so you do want to preheat your oven for, I'm doing mine 350. You may want to do 375 because, we are dealing with frozen raviolis. So we're going to make like a baked ravioli is what we're going to make. So I did a second layer of raviolis, and I'm going to add the remainder of my sauce. And I'm going to be very, very generous. What's left of my sauce is going to go in the entire container here. Get it all out of there. Yum, yum, yum. And then the next thing I'm going to do is top it off with the remainder of my cheese. And I don't have any other cheeses. And you could probably do a different types of Italian cheeses. I mean, you could do variety if you want. And then I wanted to just add a little bit of some of my garden herbs that I have. So I wanted to add a little bit of, oh, I can't find it. I should get this stuff out early. Huh. I was going to use my basil. Hell, here it is. Sorry, I forgot where my basil was. I'm going to put some of my basil, sweet basil that I have. Yeah, that's some of my sweet basil from, I think it's previous years. I have some fresh out there. I should go and get some fresh. You know what? I think I am going to do that. Let me go get some fresh real quick. What a great thing to have out in your yard, to have an herb garden that you can just go out to pick different herbs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some fresh oregano on top of my pasta dish here. And I'm using I don't have, my oregano really has not done well this year. So I grabbed some of the better looking pieces. I think the sun is really getting to them. And I don't really have a shaded area to put them so that they can, not be in the sun all day. So I'm just going to do a little bit of oregano. And then I'm going to add some basil. And this is really good because this teaches your children how to grow things in a garden or in a pot. I grow these in a pot, and you could teach them how to grow stuff in a pot or put them in a garden, make a little herb garden, teach them about how plants grow and how to care for plants. And then they also get to use them in their recipes that they have to teach them about sustainability, and using garden, products. I'm super excited. I grew Roman tomatoes this year for the first time, and they're actually beginning to turn red finally. I thought they would never turn red. I'm going to get some of these bare spots real quick, and that's going to be it. In my oven beefed, it's ready to go. So we're going to stick it in the oven, and I think I'm going to bake it for probably maybe for 45 minutes. I'm going to check it at 30 minutes. I'll come in and check it, and I'm going to bring you guys back whenever it is done. So I'm going to stick that in there just like that. And this, it's just a great way to involve your child in baking and assembling and following directions and layering and just being a help, and maybe hey, it encourage them in their cooking skills. So we'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the oven. I have my oven set at 375. I'm gonna place it in the oven for about 45 minutes, 30 minutes to 45 minutes, but I'll come back after I take it out. Okay, so I left it in there for 30 minutes, and this is what it looked like when it came out. I took a little bit out of the corner here. I'm gonna taste test it to see if it needs to either go back in, or if we hit the jackpot on this one. But here's what it looks like in a bowl, and very tasty. Very tasty, and that particular ravioli was done. Wasn't cold, it wasn't still frozen. I'm gonna test this one right here. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Very good. All right. Well, I think 30 minutes is the trick at 375. That is all you need. So I'm going to cancel that. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I know I'm kind of new to this, so my camera is not the best and not the greatest, and it doesn't get the greatest shots. But I do want to share with you, starting now and in the future, some different kid cooking videos. So I'll be sharing weekly. I'll be sharing a video of different recipes that you can do with your kids. So be looking for those. I'll be posting those on Wednesday. And so every Wednesday I'm going to post for kids, cooking with kids. And then every Friday, I'm going to start posting for crafting with kids. So these will be craft ideas that you can do with your kids over the summer, because I know summer months are here. And of course, your kids are home. So what do you do with them to entertain them? So I'm going to put out some videos of different crafts that you can do with your kids that will be easy crafts, but fun crafts to do with your kids. So I'm hoping that you'll enjoy this and that this will be entertainment for you. And I thank you for coming. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. And if you would like to leave a comment, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you think. I enjoy doing these videos, and I feel like that this is going to be a new thing for me, and I'm really looking forward to it. So be sure to read down in the description. I'm going to leave some links to my website, my blog that I blog information on. I'll put a recipe for this that I did, this ravioli dish, and then for the craft, I'll have information about each craft, and then you'll be able to go to my blog and also be able to see information regarding that as well. So thank you so much, and y'all have a great day. Bye.